If PC Home Insurance Sweden pricing explained what you get for your money. Home insurance in Sweden is essential, and If PC is one of the biggest names in the business. But what does it actually cost? And what are you really getting for your money? You might be surprised at how much protection is included. The average cost of If PC home insurance in Sweden ranges between 3,500 and 7,500 Swedish krona per year. Prices depend on where you live, the age and size of your home, and how much coverage you select. Homes in cities or near flood-prone areas can cost more, while modern, secure properties often pay less. If PC offers three main levels of coverage: basic, extra, and super. Basic covers essentials like fire, theft, and water damage. Extra adds accidental damage, storm coverage, and personal liability protection. Super includes the highest limits plus extras like legal assistance, extended water damage coverage, and temporary housing if your home becomes uninhabitable. One standout feature is their full value rebuild guarantee. That means if rebuilding your home costs more than expected, If PC covers the difference, protecting you from inflation and rising construction costs. They also include new for old replacement for damaged items, so you get brand new replacements instead of used value compensation. And if you have a car insured with If, bundling policies can earn you discounts. Most people get this wrong. They think home insurance is only useful after a fire or flood. But If PC's coverage also helps with small but costly issues like broken windows, leaks, or even accidental damage caused by kids or pets. So, what do you get for your money? Reliable coverage, fair pricing, and Scandinavian customer service built on decades of trust. With If PC, you're not just protecting your property, you're protecting your comfort, your finances, and your family's sense of security. That's real value for every krona spent.